Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install Sublime Text on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Sublime Text on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of Sublime Text, since that's where we can download the app, so just go and search this. And after searching, you will then be directed to the official website of Sublime Text. So to download the app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here, so just go and click it. And after that, your Sublime Text will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, your system will show you the location where your Sublime Text installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse, but if you are already fine with the location, just click Next to proceed. And then here, you can select if you want to add your Sublime Text to your Explorer context menu. This means that when you right-click on a file or folder, you'll see an option to open it directly in Sublime Text. This will make it quicker and easier to edit files with this program. So I recommend you to check this. And then click Next again to proceed. And then finally, you can now click the Install button to start installing the app. After that, your app installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Sublime Text will now be installed, so just open the app and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.